Hi everyone. Welcome, my name is James. Today in this video, we are going to discuss Neville Goddards' manifestation techniques. We will go over in detail exactly what to do in order to manifest your desires using Neville Goddards' techniques. We will start off with an overview of the techniques, and then go into each step in detail so that you can start manifesting your wishes almost at will, without any hesitation. So let's get started. Overview. The first step in Neville Goddards' manifestation technique is to identify and focus on our desire. We need to be crystal clear on the exact thing we want to manifest and focus our energy and attention on it. This is important in order for our thought energy to be properly directed towards manifesting our desire. The second step is to get into the feeling state of already having our desire. We need to imagine as if we are already experiencing the thing we want to manifest and let the feeling of having it already fill our body. This is important in order for us to attract our desire into our life. The third step is to give thanks for our desire being fulfilled. We need to express gratitude in the present moment as if our desire has already been fulfilled. Have faith. This helps to further attract our desire into our life. The fourth step is to release our desire. After expressing our gratitude and feeling the feeling of already having it, we need to let it go and not dwell on it. This will help us to be open to receiving our desire. Note, manifesting almost at will is possible with practice. Rinse and repeat. Just imagine the infinite possibilities. Step 1. Identifying and focusing on your desire. The first step in Neville Goddards' manifestation technique is to identify and focus on our desire. Start by spending some time figuring out what it is that you truly want to manifest. Take some time to think about it and be as clear as possible. Then once you have a clear image and understanding of what it is that you want, focus your energy and attention on it. Spend time in meditation, visualizing what it would be like if you already had this desire. Step 2. Getting into the feeling state. The second step is to get into the feeling state of already having our desire. Once you have focused on your desire, it's important to imagine it as if it has already happened. Imagine what it would feel like to have your desire fulfilled. Feel the joy and happiness that would come with having it. Feel the joy of knowing that your desire has already been fulfilled. Step 3. Giving thanks. The third step is to give thanks for our desire being fulfilled. It's important to express gratitude in the present moment as if our desire has already been fulfilled. This will help to further attract our desire into our life. Speak out loud or in your head and say thank you for this wish being fulfilled. I am beyond grateful for it. Step 4. Releasing your desire. The fourth step is to release your desire. After expressing your gratitude and feeling the feeling of already having it, release your desire and don't dwell on it. Let it go and be open to the possibilities of receiving your desire. Repeat this process as often as you can until your wish is manifested. Simple and easy. That is all for today's video about Neville Goddards' manifestation techniques. If you haven't already, please click on subscribe button below this video, or click on the old man at the bottom right of this video. Give it a thumbs up, like it if you did. I hope this video was helpful in helping you to understand how to use these techniques to manifest your desires. Remember to identify and focus on your desire, get into the feeling state of already having it, give thanks for it and release it, in order to manifest it. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this video to be helpful. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you think.